Hi, I'm Stephen and I just want to talk to you about some of the services that we offer here at Dentzap. If you're involved in an accident which isn't your fault, if you contact us first of all, we'll ensure that it's hassle-free for you. Your own insurance company don't need to get involved. Through our working partners, they'll deal with the full claim for you. This way we'll ensure that your no claims bonus is left unaffected. They'll provide you with one of their like-for-like courtesy cars. If there's any injuries in the car, between yourself or any of your passengers, then we can also get a compensation claim processed for you. Our Paintless dent repair service allows us to carefully massage the dent out. That way there's no need to fill the dent, respray the panel and any other adjacent panels. This is usually a same-day service. This will allow us to save you time and money. If you've got any issues with your air conditioning in your car, if you bring it over, we can top up the gas for you. We'll also do a leak test to ensure that there's no leaks in the system. If there is, we can also undertake the repairs for you as well. We offer the new gas, which means we can recharge any vehicle. If you're looking for a certain number plates, then we can make them up on site for you. If you want us to fit them, we can also do that as well. Just make sure you bring along the relevant documentation, such as the vehicle V5 and your driver's licence. More details can be found on our website or at DVLA. If you feel as if your steering wheel is pulling to one side or you've got unusual tyre wear, it's an indication that your wheel alignment needs adjustment. We offer a free wheel alignment check with no obligation to have it adjusted.